In this video, we will take a look how to post questions, assignments, and learning materials. First, we will post our learning materials by clicking the Create button, then choose Material. Type the title of your material, add descriptions or maybe instructions, then below, click the Add button to add attachment. Click the file, then select your files to upload. You can add more files by clicking Add More, then click Upload button to upload. On the right side, you can set which class, who will be having the access, and which topic. On the upper right side, you can select to schedule, save draft, or post materials.
Click Pause.
Now, your learning materials has successfully created. To post an assignment, click the Create button again, then choose Assignments. If your assignment has a quiz, then you can select the quiz assignment to have automatically Google Forms attached. Title your assignments, add the descriptions or instructions, then set which class, to whom, choose the grade category, put a due date, and topic, then click Assign button. Now your assignment is successfully posted. Next, we will try to post a questions. It is only a single question to ask. You can set whether short answer or multiple choice. Type your questions. Add or create attachment. Adjust the settings, then click Ask. To create assignment with template attachments, click the Create button, then choose Assignment. Add title, add descriptions or instructions, to add create attachment, click the Create button. And in this example, I will add slides template for research assignment. Make the template. Google Files will automatically save the changes made. Then add settings, then click Assign, and now we have successfully post assignment and activities. Next, we will explore how to grade the submitted assignments.